Today we're going to Lauterbrunnen, which is supposedly one of the most beautiful valleys in Europe, with 300-meter high waterfalls in Father's home country of Switzerland. How do you say it? Lauterbrunnen.
Lauterbrunnen.
I think I mentioned in the last Terrainers video that the scenery got quite spectacular. Switzerland beats that. It's crazy. Entering Lauterbrunnen now. We're 4 minutes away. Just going to go round the corner and then there's going to be vertical cliff faces. So we've been in Lauterbrunnen for about 20 minutes and it's already pretty spectacular. So trivia time, it's the biggest nature reserve in Switzerland. It's a UNESCO heritage site. It has over 72 waterfalls and the largest free-falling waterfall in Switzerland, which is 300 meters. I can never pronounce it, Staubbach Falls, which is the tallest one, and then there's Trümmelbach, which is in a cave, so we're going to go and see that and do some walking. There's 6 different towns along the valley, and you start off with Lauterbrunnen. There's a couple, or one, Mürren, that you can only get to by cable car and train, so we'll probably do that. But for now, at the base of Staubbach Falls at the moment, and you can usually walk up, but during the winter months, it's more dangerous. We're in spring, it's nearly June, so it's annoying that the park is closed, but you can usually walk up that way. Now I need to go and take some photos and put the drone up. So at Trümmelbach Falls, which is 10 glacial falls inside a mountain, which should be very cool. It's about 3 kilometers, 6 kilometers?
1 kilometer from here?
To Lauterbrunnen.
Oh, yeah. 3 kilometers?
It's about 3 kilometers from Lauterbrunnen. I'm just walking up to the... Oh, she's been distracted by the souvenir shop. This place has ridiculous scenery. Crazy! Right, number 1's this way. Can you believe we're doing yet another waterfall? And now there is a lift to the top, but Barbara did not want to walk it. Up, up, up we go. Yeah, we can take the lift down. I think we're nearing the top. Nope. About halfway. Look at this. Just sheer walls on either side. Glad we came. Number 6. These rock formations are nuts. It's quite cold actually. Onwards and upwards. Well, it seems that if you want to see waterfalls, don't bother flying halfway across the world to the Dominican Republic, Costa Rica and Nicaragua. We have seen a lot of waterfalls in the last 4 or 5 months. That one takes the cake. Trümmelbach in Lauterbrunnen in Switzerland. 10 different waterfalls, and then you go literally into a mountain. It's great. Quite cold though. Don't wear a t-shirt like me. Wear a jumper. And we're not going to walk down, are we? We're going to take the elevator. Who's the Faltier?
It's not coming.
It's not coming?
Where is it? Hello?
Oh, they've got facts here. 20,200 tons of boulder detritus per year. It's carried down that. Comes off the Eiger, very famous mountain. I think it's about 20,000 litres a second. Am I right? It's gegen 20,000 Liter pro Sekunde.
Yeah.
German skills. Oh, it's their English skills. How would you rate those falls?
I mean, they're better than some of the waterfalls we've seen in Costa Rica.
I think those are the best ones we've seen. I mean,
Best ones.
Yeah, I think they were just very different. Apparently,
It's more spectacular than the ones in Costa Rica. Let's say that way.
yeah, La Fortuna one was quite cool. Apparently, it's the only glacial waterfall inside a mountain that is accessible in Europe. So, not many opportunities. I'd say it was different. The waterfalls just off the side of a mountain tend to get quite similar, maybe. Right, next is cable car to the train that takes you to Mürren.
What about lunch?
I guess we're eating first. Where's that shadow? Oh, look at them. I don't know if you can hear that, but you couldn't get more classical Alpine or Swiss. Just the bells around the goats and the cows' necks.